In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the alternate calendar in Google Calendar. If you frequently use Google Calendar and need to integrate dates from a different cultural or religious calendar into your schedule, this feature is especially handy. Let's get started with a step-by-step overview to ensure you can easily manage your alternate calendar settings. First things first, you'll need to open Google Calendar in your web browser. You can do this by entering calendar.google.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, make sure you're logged into the correct Google account, particularly the one where you want to make these calendar changes. Upon accessing your Google Calendar, navigate your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu, so go ahead and click on that. Don't worry if the menu looks a bit overwhelming at first glance. I'll walk through the process step by step to make it simple for you. Once you're in the settings menu, direct your gaze to the left-hand column and look for the option labeled View Options. Click on this and you'll find a variety of settings that customize how your calendar is displayed. This is the section where you can switch on features that are useful for your planning. Now focus your attention on the General section. Under General, scroll through until you come across a setting called Alternate Calendars. Here's where you get to personalize which alternate calendar appears alongside your primary one. Click the drop-down menu located beside Alternate Calendars. As you click, a list of various calendars will pop up. These include options like Chinese, Islamic, Hebrew, and many more. Take your time and browse through the choices. When you find the calendar that aligns with your needs or interests, select it. This will automatically enable it as your alternate calendar, syncing it alongside your primary Gregorian calendar. You'll see the traditional dates alongside the modern standard ones, making it easier to plan events around different cultural or religious occasions. Once you've made your selection, there's no need to click a save button as Google Calendar will automatically update your preferences. However, it's always a good idea to double check your calendar display to ensure that the changes have been applied correctly. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully changed the alternate calendar in your Google Calendar. This feature can be adapted anytime if you need to switch to another alternate calendar, making it adaptable to anyone's cultural or scheduling needs. I hope you found this walkthrough straightforward and easy to follow. Thank you for joining me today, and happy calendaring.